Hello everyone, good evening. This is me Avishka, and the bulletin today starts with Android 16 beta launches with advanced features. Google expands smart home features in Gemini app. ROLI introduces Piano, a revolutionary music learning keyboard. Nothing 3 AI powered flagship will be coming in 2025. We have Truecaller, which adds live caller ID for phone users. Phase Pro OLED touchscreen wireless DI remotes. FIIO Snow Sky Retro Nano combines nostalgia and modern tech. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you what does RAM stand for, and the answer is random access memory. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who is the founder of Nvidia? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Start with the first news. Google has ruled out the first public beta of Android 16 currently available for new Pixel models. The beta introduces live updates, a feature that provides real-time progress tracking for ongoing activities with custom icons displaying progress directly within apps. Dynamic lock screen notification force apps to support resizable windows, enhancing usability on tablets and foldable devices. The games are excluded for now. They will need to adopt this facility by Android 17. Beta also introduces advanced professional video support (APV), enabling 8K recording, multi-view video, HDR10 Plus, and night mode. Additional features include enhanced photo pickers, haptic feedback control, and a new Health Connect app for streamlined medical data sharing. Android 16 aims to optimize performance and functionality, offering significant advancement for video, photography, and multitasking. The full public release is expected in Q2 2025, setting a new standard for Android's capability and user experience. Then we have Google, which is enhancing its Gemini app for expanded smart home controls via the Google Home extension. The update allows users to manage smart lighting, thermostats, speakers, and other comfortable devices through natural language command. For example, users can say the sun is too bright in the living room to close smart blinds. Gemini now supports multiple requests in a single command, such as adjusting lights in different rooms simultaneously. The extension also enables control of non-sensitive devices like lights directly from phone's lock screen. Additionally, users can manage media playback on smart speakers, displays, and TVs, and access an updated thermostat interface. Society-related actions for cameras and locks will redirect users to Google Home app for advanced privacy. This integration follows Gemini's recent update, enabling it to perform complex tasks across multiple apps. The rollout begins today and will continue over the coming weeks, offering users greater convenience and functionality in managing their home devices. We have ROLI, which has unveiled its latest innovation, the Piano keyboard, designed to simplify the music learning process. It features 49 full-size keys with Bright Key, a light-up system that guides users by illuminating the keys to play next. Each key incorporates per-note pitch bend and polyphonic aftertouch, enabling advanced expression similar to ROLI's renowned C-board series. By ROLI's AI Assistant, the system provides interactive lessons, music theory tutorials, and prompts for new techniques. Users can practice scale chords without needing sheet music. The keyboard connects via USB-C or Bluetooth MIDI and includes an output sustained pedal input and a 6-hour battery life. Compatible with all major DAWs, it is priced at Euro 390 for limited time, increasing to Euro 548 later. Bundle with ROLI Airwave is available for Euro 798. The innovative keyboard is set to revolutionize music education by combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. We have Nothing, which has teased its upcoming flagship, the Nothing Phone 3, slated for a Q1 2025 launch. Leaked sketches reveal a transparent back panel, screws, and a dual camera setup, continuing the brand's signature design aesthetic. CEO Carl P. confirmed that the device will introduce an AI powered platform featuring groundbreaking innovation in user interface design. The phone is expected to be a significant milestone for Nothing as it aims to integrate AI seamlessly into its ecosystem. Recent teasers include sketches marked WIP and cryptic social media posts featuring Pokemon inspired imagery, fueling speculation about its features. The Nothing Phone 3 follows the success of Phone 2 and aims to offer cutting-edge technology paired with unique design elements. With its focus on AI and transparent design, Nothing Phone 3 promises to refine smartphone innovation and user interaction. Now, Truecaller has introduced Live Caller ID for iPhones, leveraging Apple's privacy-focused lookup framework. Previously exclusive for Android users, this feature now displays caller details in real time on iPhone, enabling users to screen unknown numbers instantly. The new framework also uses advanced homomorphic encryption, encrypting users' privacy while delivering accurate caller information. To activate this feature, users must enable Truecaller settings in the iPhone's phone app under call blocking and identification. Activated Live Caller ID provides a seamless experience showing caller names directly on the screen during incoming calls. This update marks a significant improvement for iPhone users, aligning Truecaller's capability across both major platforms. By integrating functionality, Truecaller continues to enhance its utility while prioritizing user privacy. Now, Phase has launched the Phase Pro, a groundbreaking update to its wireless DJ remotes. These devices now feature OLED touchscreen that display essential information like MIDI controls, battery status, and even custom branding such as logos or text. DJs can wipe through modules to access various controls during performances. Phase Pro boosts an extended battery life of up to 15 hours even with the OLED screens active, thanks to a 20% larger battery. Its wireless technology has been upgraded with new antennas and machine learning optimization for stable connection. Even in a high interference environment, the device supports advanced HD integration with Serata DJ Pro and with similar functionality for Tricorder, Algorithm DJ, and Virtual DJ for development. Durability has been enhanced with updated material and a new rotatory sensor improves sensitivity. Set to release in spring 2025, the Phase Pro is estimated to cost $800 per pair with its advanced features and robust design. Phase Pro is poised to become a staple for professional DJs. Now, FIIO has introduced the Snow Sky Retro Nano, a compact device combining a music player, wireless headphone AMP, and DAC for just €60. Styled like a single cassette player in the 80s and 90s, it includes modern features such as aptX Bluetooth for high quality wireless streaming, and the built-in headphone AMP feature a high gain setting in boosted wireless high. Built-in headphone AMP features a high gain setting to boost wired headphones effectively, converting them into premium wireless ones. Additionally, the Retro Nano can connect via USB-C to laptops, tablets, or desktops bypassing the DAC for superior audio quality. It supports both 3.5 mm and quarter-inch headphone connection, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The device is powered by a rechargeable AA battery, charges through USB-C, and includes playback controls for skipping tracks, adjusting volume, and pausing music. A built-in microphone allows users to take calls seamlessly. With its nostalgic design and impressive modern capabilities, the Snow Sky Retro Nano offers an affordable and versatile solution for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.